Good crowd, good questions, good people. It's a gathering of like-minded individuals.
Slide this way if you're trying to see results. Active, get active, they can't match this. I got ambition, I'm driven. Hither man got the vision. Stay woke. If you're trying to win, you should listen. If you're trying to win, you should listen. Stay woke. If you're trying to win, you should listen. If you're trying to win, you should listen. Stay woke. If you're trying to win, you should listen.
Into and you thought, oh my god, this can't be it. The thing I have learned in my days after university was this. Your network equals your network. Networking is so easy, it's kind of natural, but if in case you want to know, first thing you say is obviously your name, what you do, and then the third thing is really important, find out what they do and how you can help them. That's what networking is, that's when networking is powerful. When it's not just about me, it's actually about how can I add value to your life. And when you can do that, you're really powerful because it's people like you because of what you can do for them. So let's try this networking and then let's see how you guys get on. So everybody please stand up, I want you to introduce yourselves to 3 people starting now. Having a good morning. We've just had some books from the Best Meal I've delivered, so that should be fun to show. But I just had some really good feedback from the crowd, which was always nice to see, and everyone's loving it. Coco got a gift. Where's his gift? Is it in the other room?
The gift? Oh yeah, I think it's in the other room actually.
Oh, yeah, it's really rude.
He's been playing with it.
Got another gift as well. So for me, I got it for my little boy.
That's the poo. He got him the King Poo boy.
King Poo.
You do so many poos.
Because he eats so much.
You eat so much, your poo should be this big, but they're not. That's as big as you. You're so cute, my little baby. Okay, so we'll go back on stage. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. So yeah, that's it really. So we're gonna go back on, we're gonna have crypto, and then we're gonna have Forex after lunch and the VIP lunch, so come and join us for that. Yes, you eat with us. So yeah.
You got a really small.
Is that okay? I'm going to cut a cake for my babies. He's 3 today, actually. So yeah, 3 exactly. So we're going to have a nice. And thank you for the gift, madam. Yes, she gave me that gift. He's been playing with it. We need to do it later. She got him such a cool gift, so he loves it. So everybody, please stand up. Please stand up. Let's do a big stretch all the way up. Was that learning this morning? And touch your toes. Perfect. Give yourselves a round of applause. So we just had a VIP session. Everyone has been fed and drunk, and it was really nice actually. So I'm glad that we had the VIP session. It was just to help people achieve their goals and to tailor some solutions for them. So it's really worth having a VIP ticket because I don't get this one-on-one time with everyone, and I'd love to, but you know, there's only one of me. And so when they come here and sit down with me, I learn. I go through each one by one, and I just learn about what they want to achieve and where they're at right now. And it's good. Apart from that, we eat well, and we've had enough. We do have a good laugh, and they get to learn some inside secrets about what we do as a company in terms of like the students and, you know, the fun side, which they can't always see on stage. So it's good. Nice surprise. Thank you.
Hi, how are you doing? You are here. This is your birthday gift. Yeah.
That's so sweet.
That's very kind.
You're very kind.
Thank you. No problem. Yeah.
That's very
Yeah.
kind. Oh yeah, these are good. Oh, these are so good.
Oh, yeah, that's all right.
We've been doing a lot of these talks actually recently on kind of productivity, mindfulness, backstory of how the business came about. It's called The Best Me Life. We launched it about 9 months ago. It's a product, but it's a passion, and it's given us purpose, and this is the biggest thing for us at the moment. Mark and I got together and thought, what can we do to create a product that ideally could possibly help others while I created a business for ourselves. Our product is about setting goals, manifesting, visualization, fitness. And we put all those things together, we created a journal. It's a basic tool, but it's a tool that I feel anybody that's successful financially, spiritually growing, all of these things. And for us, it wasn't just about making money. It's about growing, like I said, spiritually, emotionally, and building that self-confidence, you know?
And you have crazy dreams, and then after work,
You wake up inspired.
Yeah, completely.
Because you know, when you get into bed, it's like, oh, how many stars are in the universe? Oh, I could die tomorrow. It's like all these mad thoughts going on in your head, you know? So if you start writing these things down, well, that's what I did anyway. My anxiety levels were through the roof.
Yeah.
You start writing down, I'm happy of, you know, that person I made happy today, or I closed that deal, or, you know, I started this process. You go to bed with those positive thoughts. It's crazy how simple it sounds, but a lot of people don't use this, and I think it's a great idea.
The reason why I think it's so amazing is because obviously what public and all the negativity that people get from just generally being like in the limelight, it can really make them a horrible person, but he's very much the opposite, and that's why I like him so much, because he genuinely is a nice person and really wants to help inspire people, plus he's doing it himself, so he's living, walking, the whole thing, which is why I endorsed it, because I don't, as you know how fussy I am about finishing cameos while they're on stage. They know my standards. And yeah, so I honestly think this would help everyone in here, and I'm a big believer in journaling, so you need to get your hands on this. It's like, there's 2 colours, all of you should get pink, but if you want the blacks, cool.
If you go into a day without planning it, you're reactive to everyone else's wants and needs from you, and you're on the back foot already. Whereas if you're planning a day, you're writing down what you have to get done, and people fit in around that, and they should fit in around that. So, I mean, I plan, my days are quite meticulous, because I always think I don't do enough, probably like you, which is why the wins are so important, because it's all about, you know, you get through your day without having done anything. But then if you go back and review, you've actually accomplished some pretty good stuff, and it's about taking stock of those things, stuff that might not even be on your plan list. So I try and get 3 outcomes a day for my to-do, which kind of tie into my goals. I'm short-term, mid-term, and a big scary goal, which is quite similar to most people here.
What's this?
Such a cutie.
Day to you.
Poor little baby, I had no idea. You can't have any of this. Thank you. Blow the candles. Woo!
informative. You know, I've learned lots of like new skills, strategies, even personal development. It's been such an amazing day, and I really recommend it to anyone.
This was such a great event, literally learned so much from this, and I'm looking forward to starting in about a week or two. Hopefully everything will go great. So informative, so inspiring as well. Learned about so many people here, networked as well, so everything was good.
My name's Byron Leith, I'm 14 and I came with my mum. The event was really fun. I got loads of new content that I'm going to use in the future, and first time ever hearing of Heather, and she's just really inspirational and inspired me to want to do some more.
My name's Ed Knight from Never Ever Too Old. I've just been speaking to Heather actually at the end of the day, and I was saying to her, this has been a fantastic day. I like the honesty, I like the approach, I like the fact that she tells people that what she's doing isn't for everybody, rather than just trying to get everybody on board. I think that's refreshing. What I've also liked about the event is how people have talked about things like anxiety, depression, normal life day things. I mean, go back 5 years to conferences, people would never have talked about that. So, well done, it's been a great day.
Hi, I'm Phil. I came today not expecting, well, I didn't know what to expect, to be honest, but I've come away with a really refreshed view on the Fortune Academy, number one, and also looking at crypto currency and just learning a lot about the trading perspective. And I think one day I will definitely take it a lot further than I want to at the moment. But yeah, it's been a fantastic day, and again, I thought the honesty from Heather was fantastic, and I really appreciate the down-to-earth approach, and also having Callum come along and do a bit of an extra talk about the actual trying to get a balance of right in life. I think that sort of sits very seriously with me at the moment. I think it's a combination of looking at both the finance and the way you live your life in general is actually where I want to be.
So yeah, Mark and I came down to support Heather. She's great at what she does. I don't know much personally about trading, Forex, any of those things, but for me it's about the big picture of mindset, of setting goals and self-belief and wanting to do better for yourself and help other people. Like, you know, as much as it is about trading, and there, she talks about there's this whole bigger picture that comes with it, with this like kind of inspirational lifestyle, and I'm all about that stuff. So we're happy to come down here and support the best we can, and Mark and I went on stage and answered some questions.
Yeah, no, really good, good to see what she's doing. Really like her way of working. It's not just about financial trading, it's about just getting to the root of how to be a better person, a better human being, and then making money once you've got the foundations in place. So that's what I took away from it anyway. Some really inspirational people, good speakers. It's a long day, but yeah, seemed like it was a success.
Yeah, good crowd, good questions, good people. It's a gathering of like-minded individuals, and I enjoyed it, so we'll definitely be coming back.
Very inspirational. Nice one, Heather.
So here we are, it's nearly 8 o'clock. It's been an incredible event, and literally everybody was on such a good high at the end. So I really appreciate their time. I love these events. Every event is different, and that's what I love about Fortune Academy events. So if you guys get a chance, come and see me, jump on the link below, register for my next event. You're going to learn something that will change the way you look at money, the way you look at life, and that's guaranteed. So come along and see for yourself. Bye.
Slide this way if you're trying to see results. Active, get active, they can't match this. I got ambition, I'm driven. Hither man got the vision. Stay woke, if you're trying to win, you should listen. If you're trying to win, you should listen. Stay woke, if you're trying to win, you should listen. If you're trying to win, you should listen. Stay woke, if you're trying to win, you should listen.